Hello friends, welcome back to my channel Learning Kids. Today we are going to celebrate Earth Day. Earth Day is a day to celebrate the earth environment and help raise awareness of threats to our planet. So here is our first worksheet is sorting. Here we can give some picture that belong to each category like compost bin, can, plastic and paper bin, where child has to stick object accordingly. Like in compost bin, kid will stick organic waste, and in can bin they will stick cans. Plastic made things in plastic bins and paper made object in that bin. It is very interesting activity. Kids will learn more about segregation and will know how to clean our earth and make it more green and healthier. The next worksheet is about pattern, where kid will paste the images that come next in each pattern. As we can see, the first image is pattern is recycle, then bin, leaf, recycle. That what will come next is leaf. That's how they can do this activity. The next activity is coloring. Here we can give some coloring sheets. Kid loves coloring. By doing this activity, they will know more about the earth. And during this activity, you can teach some lesson about earth. So, in the next worksheet is about what is the right thing to do and what not to do. As you can see, there are some picture as in the first picture, kid will circle the correct one. As in the first picture, we will ask to the kid that picking up trash is good or doing littering is good. There are some good habits or bad habits. By doing this activity, children will learn more about good habits. There are some more good habits like love all animal, planting tree, proper waste disposable, clean up, it's a good thing, and use animal in experiment, cutting down trees, pour factory waste into the water, throwing plastic into the sea is a very bad thing to do. The next is word search. Saving the earth start with a simple green act, and with the help of parents, kid can do 5 in a row or as many as you can. Here are some words which is related to the earth. As soon as you will find the word, you can cross it. This will help to sharpen your memories and thinking skill that may improve with regular crossword practice. Now the next is shadow worksheet. In this, draw a line to match the shadow of this item which is related to the Earth Day. Next is recycle, reuse or compost. Kid will circle the waste item that do not belong to the group. Like here is organic waste is not belong to recycle group. As pumpkin as a organic waste not fit into the reuse group. And compost group can is not compost. Next worksheet is color the waste. Here is one another activity on segregation where child has to color all organic waste in red and paper waste in green color. So through this activity they will come to know how disposable of waste should be done. Now maze is the next interesting and very simple activity is to help the sunshine make the sprout grow by using crayons. Here child will follow the correct path. Next is word ladder. Let's climb the ladder by filling the empty step with a word related to our planet. Start by filling in each step with a new word using any letter from the word below. Ask your child to think of the word related to the Earth Day before starting. Next is tracing. Here kid will trace some sentences which is related to the Earth Day. After tracing, let children to read aloud these sentences and tell them the meaning of these sentences. Here is some beautiful sentences like I can plant seeds, I can compost, I can recycle, I can turn off the light, I can help save the earth. By using this sentence, children will learn about Earth Day. Now the next is counting. Here you can ask to the children that how many items do you see in each box and color the correct number. Next is pattern. Here you have to find the pattern in the area below and circle them. As you can see, there are 4 patterns given. In first one is like bin, basket, can. Next is 2 bucket and newspaper, so on. So you have to find these patterns in given picture and circle them. Now the next is what is the good or bad. They have to find which things are bad for the environment and which are good, and circle the good one and box the bad one. As shown in the picture, like recycling, planting, pollination, or these are the good habits. In the other hand, the pollution, air pollution, water pollution, water wastage, and throwing trash here and there is very bad habit. Now our last activity is graph. Here you will find and graph the listed item. Then answer some question like how many of each and write the correct number of the object in each boxes. Then tell which item did you find the most and which item did you find the least of. When you will make the graph, it will easy to answer these questions. I hope you like this video and it will help your child to know more about Earth Day. That's how you can celebrate with your young ones and teach them some good habit. If you find it informative and useful, please like, share and subscribe my channel, and don't forget to press the bell icon. Thanks for watching.